Can you post full photo on Instagram post? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once done, move into your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once logged in, you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. It will open up a gallery. From your gallery, select any of the photo that you want to upload. Right now you can see that the photo is not adjusted fully. In order to do so, all you gotta do is you have to click on this arrow icon. Tap on it. It has been adjusted. Now you can drag the photo and adjust according to your need. But you can see, still the photo is not adjusted fully. It's actually because of the Instagram grid. It is not possible to upload if the ratio is different than the ratio of Instagram. So you just have to upload it however it is. Click on next at the top right corner and once again tap on next. Enter the caption and once done, tap on share at the bottom of the screen. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.